Welcome back to another video. This time we head up to Kinkuna beach in Bundaberg where we spend a long weekend out exploring and enjoying the beaches.
Just having some little dramas at the moment. I think my right front hub has broken and it's still playing up from Moreton Island. So I'm just in two-wheel drive unfortunately, and I've got the rear locker in and we're just trying to get through, but we'll pull the hub out when we get to camp a bit later on and see, fingers crossed, it's a hub. Because if it's not, that's a bit annoying. This is what happened to the last 79 that drove on the beach. Well, 75, sorry. Why do those leave the car here? Well, we're set up here, having a little problems with my car. But yeah, we left earlier this morning, left about 3:30 in the morning, met at the servo, headed up, which was great. We got a nice run all the way up the highway. And here we are. Compared to last time we were at this camp, this is a dramatic improvement. This is it. We've got Caden down here for a fish. I'm gonna join him in a second. Oh, this is a way to spend your Friday. I don't know who invented the 5-day work week, but they're dumb. Just changed out the hub. So I put a new hub on. Hopefully that fixes the issue. If it doesn't, it's not a genuine hub, it's just a, got one from NQ Spares on the Cape. So we'll see what happens. Might work, might not. Either way, we lost nothing.
So we're just on our way to Bundaberg. We've got to go to the shops because Josh did not bring any food. So he was counting on the fact that we would be stopping in town to get groceries. So that is what we are going to do.
Got an unfortunate person that's got stuck, so Josh is just going to give him a hand and pull him out. Left, Josh, left. Turn left. Yeah, you're right. Go, Josh, go. Woohoo. And mission successful. He says he was stuck there for about an hour, but now there's two sets of cars rock up at the same time. We'll wait for these cars and then we'll go. I think we've had a few deaths. And there might be a third. Is that fully beer now?
Yeah, and mix the beer. I'm trying to fit. I should have just brought an S kit. Such a better idea when I bring an S kit. Just an S kit for drinks. So I not break Bailey's eggs. Already broken 2 of his beers.
We're in Bundaberg, so you know what that means. Have to come here.
This is Caden's first time.
Yeah. What are fast?
This is, what is it, rum and ginger beer, and it's dangerously good. It's just like a sweet soft drink. Well, not sweet, it's just like a soft drink. Oh.
Yeah, I know.
This is the most dangerous shopping experience ever. You go to a bar and you drink, and then you come and buy their product.
And you're like, whoa, this looks good.
You also get a bar table and chairs.
Alright, so we've been to the shops. Josh now has groceries. Done the rum factory. We bought lots of rum and souvenirs, obviously. Done fuel, got bait. Now we're heading back to camp. Boys are gonna go for a fish. I'm gonna have a nap in my camp chair and cook up a feast. Steak is on the menu tonight, and Ben has bought one of the sauces from the rum factory, so we'll see how we go. Here's my Akubra, which is better, mine.
Yes, we need you beta before we drop.
Just chilling down on the beach at the moment. About to get the fishing rods out. I don't know what Talia is doing. She's walking with a chair.
We have got another beautiful morning at Kinkuna. Look at that. Absolutely perfect conditions. So I think today we're going to go try find some tracks. But yeah, we all went to bed pretty early last night because we were shattered after getting up really early. But yeah, looking nice. I think I might go for a fish. There's no waves. Might be able to get out a bit further out the back this time. We'll see what today brings. Ciao.
We are all up. Oh, I'm dressed. The boys are just down there. I've got breakfast cooking. Plan today is to go and find some four drive tracks, hopefully. We need to find a toilet and then, I don't know, go from there. So we are just in Bundaberg at a local coffee shop. Looks really cool actually. It is. Kind of looks like it's just in the backyard of someone's house, but it looks good. And then we are going to head to the forest. Alright, so we think we are in the Pine Creek State Forest. Hopefully we will be able to find some tracks and see how we go.
So we're just in the Pine Creek, I think State Forest at the moment, and having a look around. Very rutted out. It's like, must have been lots of water come through here recently. But it looks like the track's kind of disappeared. Oh, hi, Edward. There you go. That's good.
That way. That way, that way. Now you're in another hole.
Do I come up to my left side?
There you go. Yeah, now this way. Have you got your locker on? Ah, right. The front or the? Ah. No.
Right. Straighten up a little bit. At least that'll be left hand down. Left. Yep. Right. Yeah, you're cool right now.
have just done some hill climbs and now we are trying to find, I think it's a weir or some rock pools or something, a nice creek hopefully, have some lunch and then probably head back towards camp.
Alright, so we're just driving, we're trying to find Weir Creek, but we're at an intersection. We've kind of been making our own track for the past half an hour, and you can see, this way here, you won't fit a car. This way here are a lot of trees, so we might, yeah. Not too sure at the moment.
So all I'm hearing is we're lost in the middle of Pine Creek State Forest. Wish us luck. What's your version of the story then?
So unsure of the exact track that we need to take to exit this premises.
Right.
Lost means we have no idea what we are.
Oh, okay.
We definitely have some idea.
Oh, right.
Oh yeah.
So it looks like we've found a track again. I just don't think it's the direction that we were supposed to go to find the creek. So I think game plan now is just probably get out of here and head back to camp, I think.
No, I know the creek.
That creek?
Huh?
Down there?
Yeah.
What?
There's a main road that goes there.
Oh.
We just got to get out of the forest to get there.
Right. So why did we have to go all this way then?
Because it said there was a track that went through the forest to the main road, to cross the main road to get to the creek. But obviously it hasn't been driven in a long time.
Okay. Alright, so we're still trying to find the creek. We are now going backwards. Got to a dead end. There's apparently a massive sinkhole. So now we are backtracking yet again. Where to this time? Need to find another way out. Alright, we have good news. We have found a road. We have successfully, well, we're not on a road, but we think we are out of the tracks in the forest. So we have found out that the creek we were trying to find, based on information from Caden's mate, we were never going to get to the creek because all the roads are now private access. So we were going on a wild goose chase. It was pretty much an impossible goose chase. So we've just made our way to one of the creeks. What's it called?
Kinkuna Creek.
Kinkuna Creek. Just checking it out on our way back to camp.
There's always one. Oh, it's just, it's salted.
Yeah, I know, I'm not happy about it.
Let's get you out of here.
What creek are we at now?
Field-like Creek.
It's windy.
I think the wind got the better of Bailey's tent, so that's 1 wind, 0 Bailey. What happened?
Well, I'm curious what happened to it.
So far no fish, but it's a beautiful afternoon anyway. Keep you updated. If there's a fish, you'll know about it.
Ben! Yes! Okay, let's take a photo. Hang on, stand there.
bait. 3 metres away.
You want to? Oh,
Hey, come back.
We've got pizza and fire.
Ben's going hungry.
Out of 10?
10 out of 10. That is,
What'd you call me?
that is gourmet. Look at that. How thick that, what is it, base? Alright, for Ben's birthday on Thursday, I got him a projector screen and we are currently testing it with the footy. Pretty cool. Screen set up.
oh, there we go.
Good morning. I just woke up, watched the sunrise. It was beautiful. Another day in paradise, no wind. The ocean, or is this ocean? Yeah, I think it is. The water is like pretty much dead flat. And I'm just standing down on the beach. Oh, does it get any better than this? Sadly, today is our last day, which isn't fun. Loved being here. It's so nice. We were saying we really like it because we've got the beach camping, and then like half an hour you've also got Pine Creek State Forest, which is where we were yesterday, and that's then you've got your 4 drive tracks. You get the best of both worlds. It's quieter up here because it is at 5 hours. That's the only annoying thing. It's about 4 to 5 hours away. But it's also great because you don't have to pay for vehicle permits. You've only got to pay for camping, which is even better because camping's like $7. So to come here is actually really good. It's just so far away. But yes, definitely come back, and it's just nice that it's more of a bay than a ocean beach, so it's just so calm. But yes, here we are. So it's about 10 AM. We've just packed up and it is time for us to start trekking back. Might stop somewhere and get a coffee on the way, but we've got about a 4-hour drive, and I'm assuming there'll be traffic, so it might take a while. But here we are. Been a perfect weekend weather-wise, but we've got to make the trek home. Have you had fun?
I have. It's been great.
It's been very good.